So go to settings, see all settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and under signatures, create new, give it a name, click create, and here just add your signature and style it. I'm gonna make it huge and green. Yeah, so now all you have to do is just set the default. So for new emails or on reply, you can set a different one, create new if you want that. Yeah, and then just scroll to the bottom, click save changes, and now if you go on compose, you can see your signature at the bottom. So I assume that's what you wanted. That's how you do it. If you want to get rid of this line, there was an option in the setting, a checkbox. You can also do that. Actually, let's just do it right now so you can see. Insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dash line. Yeah, so that's how you do it, and that's it.